NBA superstar Kobe Bryant, 41 years of age, was killed in a helicopter crash earlier today just outside of Los Angeles. A total of 5 people have been reported to have perished in the accident. Five-time NBA champion, who is a candidate for the Hall of Fame this year, was known to have used a helicopter to travel for years, dating back to when he played for the Lakers and commuted from Newport Beach to the Staples Center. The scene just moments ago in Denver prior to the Nuggets game against the Houston Rockets. Elsewhere, the sports world understandably convulsed in immediate shock and sadness. Bill Russell, the Hall of Fame center for the Celtics, says, "You were my biggest fan, Kobe, but I was yours as well." Patrick Mahomes with the Kansas City Chiefs on his way to the Super Bowl, expressing the thoughts of many. R.I.P. Mamba, using the nickname that Kobe Bryant was known by. And Tom Brady, not much to say. We miss you already, Kobe. Details are still emerging. The LA County Sheriff's Department has scheduled a 5 o'clock Eastern Time press conference. NBC News will bring that to you. Again, terrible news on this day. Bryant is survived by his wife, Vanessa, and their 4 daughters. Our thoughts are with them. Now back to figure skating.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Please welcome Urban Magic Johnson. What's up, Laker Nation? I can't hear you. What's up, Laker Nation? We are here to celebrate greatness for 20 years. Excellence for 20 years. Kobe Bryant has never cheated the game. He has never cheated us as the fans. He's played through injuries. He's played hurt. And we have 5 championship banners to show for it. When you think about this town, for the last 20 years, this man has been the biggest and greatest celebrity we've had in this town for 20 years. He is not only a great and unbelievable sports icon, but also he's the greatest to wear the purple and gold. So right now, we should put our hands together for the late, great Dr. Jerry Buss for trading for this man. And also, we want to thank Jeannie Buss, Jim Buss, for keeping them here for 20 years. And I know this is Kobe's night, but last but not least, is another great Laker about to leave us. Please give it up for Gary Beatty too as well. Kobe has 19 Laker records. He has 9 NBA records. And let me just tell you a stat that's unbelievable. The man has scored 25 times over 50 points. He scored over 60 points 5 times. And then we all knew where we were when he scored 81 points. So this is what I want you to do, Laker Nation. We're going to watch this video of him, and then he's going to come out center court and wave to you guys. But let's give him the biggest, longest standing ovation that he's ever seen in his life, okay? Let's look at the video right quick.
Kobe found him as he just needs close to Jack. Goes up! A perfect pass to Jack. Here's Kobe.
Kobe, old man, welcome to our new life. It was fun playing with you. It was fun playing against you.
that time, Kobe will address all the loyal Laker fans. Don't forget.
Well, you've heard from and have seen royalty in purple and gold. Gary Vitti, the longtime athletic trainer for the Lakers, saying farewell. Byron Scott, who's been here the early and the end days of the Kobe Bryant era. Chant you will hear often tonight, one last time at the Staples Center in Los Angeles.